Is your Garmin Drive 52 stuck on the loading maps screen? You're not alone. This common issue, often leading to a boot loop, occurs when the device fails to load map data properly during startup. It's been a persistent problem since the device's release in 2021, and while firmware updates have aimed to fix it, some users still encounter this frustrating issue. This video will guide you through understanding the problem and applying effective solutions. We will cover everything from basic troubleshooting to advanced fixes. Several factors can cause your Garmin Drive 52 to get stuck on the loading maps screen. These include data corruption on the micro SD card, which stores the map data, interruptions during firmware updates, such as power loss, faulty SD cards that fail to store data properly, outdated software that lacks necessary fixes, or even exposure to extreme temperatures that damage components. The device's reliance on Garmin's proprietary map format exacerbates the problem. In short, anything that prevents the device from accessing or verifying the map data can trigger the boot loop. Before attempting more complex fixes for the Garmin Drive 52 loading maps issue, start with these simple troubleshooting steps that often resolve the problem quickly. A soft reset can clear temporary glitches causing the boot loop. Simply press and hold the power button on your Garmin Drive 52 for about 10 seconds. The device will power off and then restart automatically. Unstable power can interrupt the boot process. Make sure your Garmin Drive 52 is plugged into a reliable power source, such as the included car charger or AC adapter, before attempting to start it. If the soft reset and power check don't work, examine the micro SD card. Look for any visible damage, dirt, or corrosion. Remove it gently and reinsert it firmly to ensure proper contact with the device. These basic troubleshooting steps, soft reset, stable power, and SD card check, are often sufficient to get your Garmin Drive 52 working again, saving time and frustration. If a soft reset doesn't resolve the loading maps issue, the next step is to connect your Garmin Drive 52 to your computer using a USB cable. Once connected, open the Garmin Express software on your computer. In Garmin Express, follow the prompts to check for firmware updates. Installing the latest version, which as of April 2026 is 8.5.0 or later, will fix the loading maps issue. After updating the firmware, you may also need to reinstall the maps on your device. This entire process can take up to 2 hours, so make sure you have a stable internet connection and avoid interrupting the update to prevent further issues. If updating the firmware and reloading maps doesn't solve the problem, the SD card may be corrupted. You'll need to format the SD card using Garmin Express. Warning: this will erase all data on the card, so only do this if other methods have failed. Always back up any important data before formatting, if possible. After formatting, use Garmin Express to reinstall the maps onto the SD card. In some cases, the loading maps issue may stem from a hardware problem, such as a defective memory chip. If you've tried all the software fixes and the problem persists, it's time to contact Garmin support or a professional repair service. Disassembling the device yourself can void the warranty and potentially cause further damage. Hardware issues, such as a defective memory chip, can be the root cause of the persistent loading maps boot loop. Physical damage or manufacturing defects in the memory components prevent proper data access during startup. After exhausting all software solutions like firmware updates and SD card formatting, persistent issues indicate hardware failure. At this point, professional assistance is necessary to avoid further damage. Attempting to open or repair the device yourself will void the warranty and may cause additional harm to sensitive internal components. Always use authorized service centers for hardware repairs. To keep your Garmin Drive 52 healthy and prevent the loading maps boot loop, start by regularly updating your device's firmware and maps using Garmin Express software. When performing updates, avoid interruptions by ensuring your device has a stable power supply. Never let the battery die or unplug it during the process. Periodically back up your map data to your computer using Garmin Express. This creates a safety net you can restore from if data becomes corrupted. Finally, protect your Garmin Drive 52 from extreme temperatures, such as leaving it in a hot car, and physical shock from drops or impacts. Following these simple preventative measures will help maintain your device's reliability and minimize the chance of encountering the loading maps issue. The persistent loading maps issue with the Garmin Drive 52 has exposed significant limitations of traditional SD card-based GPS systems, prompting a shift toward more reliable alternatives. SD card-based systems are vulnerable to corruption from interrupted updates or hardware failures, causing the boot loops we've seen. This reliance on removable storage creates reliability issues. Industry trends show a move toward cloud-integrated GPS systems that deliver updates wirelessly through over-the-air technology, eliminating the need for manual SD card handling. Modern GPS devices use embedded storage with built-in controllers that handle error correction, bad block management, and wear leveling automatically, making them far more reliable than traditional SD cards. Garmin's Drive 60, slated for release in the third quarter of 2026, will feature embedded storage and cloud connectivity, completely phasing out SD card vulnerabilities for enhanced reliability. For more dependable navigation, consider upgrading to newer GPS models with embedded storage or using smartphone apps that leverage cellular connectivity and cloud updates for seamless performance. Overall, these technological advancements in GPS design promise to eliminate the reliability issues that have plagued SD card-based systems like the Garmin Drive 52.